Hi guys, I'm Carlee. I'm a senior and wedding photographer based in Green Bay, Wisconsin, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you the essentials you need to starting your own photography business. The number one essential to starting your photography business is your camera body. When I first started my business, my first camera was a Nikon 7200, and then I switched to a full frame Nikon body, the Nikon D750. I'm now with Sony. I have an A7 III, but in my personal opinion, I would recommend starting out with a full frame body. It just has higher resolution, it is more reliable, and it's just professionally rated. Most camera companies are going to try and sell you camera kits that come with the lens and the body in one. My advice to you would be to buy the lens and the body separately. I would recommend going with a lens like a 50mm 1.8 as it's my go-to lens. The second essential to starting a photography business would be your editing software, such as Lightroom or Photoshop. Adobe offers Lightroom and Photoshop in one package for only $10 a month. In my editing workflow, I mainly use Lightroom because it's convenient and user-friendly. I'll sometimes use Photoshop for skin blemishes and removing objects from the image. The third essential to starting your own photography business would be to get a business license. How I obtained my business license was online through the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions. It's usually around $100, so I wouldn't recommend using a lawyer because it's easy to do on your own. The fourth essential to starting your own photography business is a client management system. I currently use Dubsado, and I've used Dubsado since the beginning. It has invoicing, contracts, and everything you need to stay organized. There's plenty of client management systems out there, but the reason I love Dubsado so much is because it truly is all in one. It's $35 a month and worth every penny. The fifth essential to starting your photography business is a website. I currently use WordPress, and I don't think it's the most user-friendly, but there are plenty of website building options out there. I would recommend something like Squarespace or Wix or Showit. You're able to build your own website completely by yourself. All right guys, that's all I have for today. Please like and subscribe. And if you want me to go more in depth on any of the points, just comment down below. Don't put that in there.